Sa keep fit ne health works no. Sa mu ba no pano na mu dwale a obi bekumu ana. Hey.
Muni, why are dear papa? What kind of no very simple?
Na sale, microphone ja. Enya sem kitu. When Jaro Baba leading the crowd be patcho.
Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Okay, so recently I made a post about the keep fit and health work thing here, and most of you took it the wrong way.
And so we are part 2 of NDC Muni versus NDC party members. Now, in this part 2 video, no, Muni abe patcho, or since more kind of one who said, one can say, na no, NDC for kura area go, did I and someone. Or because NDC for no home bone. Muni abe patcho, I'm a social that want to know. Among phones are reacting to that. I have Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any day. Obey like a video, no matter what subscribe button, some can keep an occasion for the latest updates. Now, but the wide range of mamma or comment section of Baswa. No, you don't post any of the ashes. It is Sunday, no, and I end this for more as radio command to be precise. Almost a morning walk. After morning walk, Anna Muni, NDC Muni, we are one of the executives of NDC party no in Ashanti region. Muni eba TikTok, no be video no watch them NDC for. Yes, here come morning walk at the enti mo sorry a homache no. Anna mu dware ye, Anna mu twiri mo siana nka de na aba. Ada na maba mo ho ntahwentahwe mo ho hye mo moto mo hyehye mo no mo hyehye esene acid. E de benko.
Sa keep fit ne health works no. Sa mu ba no pano na mu dwale a obi bekumu ana. Hey. No. Adai. Oh, wa sorry ano pa we dware kama wa show sneaker bi no aba. Efe. Na mu de mu ba mu nyale. Mesi awurade. Ye dia na mu ba dia sramo. Bridget one ye pa cho.
Manum a chop blade, mucha kuma, blade is a mucha kuma. Where is my money ever kind? The money can in a TikTok months amount for a bufu pa. And mom's when it carries a money. So once you na yeah, would you tell no? Yanny also saw some more money, yan also some more independent now, but
one so rude, no a hand tano a casemno. Any buna umbuadiano. Men fan bata NDC when I NDC such near weno, a binimu. San kwasiye tani ba o kusasi ni a yatete wo fie ya chiro kasapa se ohu Penyah bu no wotimi ka kire omo se he omo hu na mo bon
wachimi wate yen ene e polish wo app no so ene nes wenya body Muni yen e polish wo app no so ene na wenya body anka wo uchimie sa no na ubusia pani no kra no ni made e friend NDC wow.
How sure are you that enya wa no na bon and na what sent? What if I should also tell you that it is your mouth that was smelling because your mouth is closer to your nose and mouth that scent na what na you are thinking is from somebody's amotuomo. Hey,
Chaboye, when you're position, Chaboye, who be at them. 20 someone, NDC for no, Eddie Cabeka editor. Now, a no, and a money other don't say David, as one candy. Man can hear cry. Ain't I wasn't by patcho, 80 money about one time at the chopper about out to them and some body. And yes, what shall I say, walk home? Only a million on power or can I grow so crack it? Yes, what can say, walk, can what them wanting what them would that, Debbie? Wanting what them would that.
Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Okay, so recently I made a post about the keep fit and health work thing here, and most of you took it the wrong way. I just want to tell each and every one of you that it wasn't deep at all. It was just me being me, playing around and all of that. But we cannot control how people feel about the things we say. we all deal with things differently, and so I'm here to sincerely apologize to each and every one of you. You all know I love and respect you so much. I can never disrespect you like intentionally. So I am so sorry if maybe whatever I said in that video like made you feel some type of way. I'm so sorry. It wasn't deep at all, trust me. It wasn't deep at all. So yeah, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry to each and every one of you who like felt offended by my video. I am sorry. You all, I love and appreciate each and every one of you for the support and love you've been showing me since day one. So I can never disrespect any one of you. So yeah, this is me saying I am sorry, and I've taken the video down because I honestly I haven't even checked the comments because it was something I just like out of nowhere. So I am sorry. Yeah, I am sorry that maybe you all felt like I was being disrespectful or I was insulting someone. I am so sorry. It wasn't that deep. So I'm sorry. This is me like apologizing to you. Kindly forgive me. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay, na crosso. Na oni mu dia. Na enumu ana MPP party members so mo TikTok mo tro say there be massa. Muni as mo kan there. No kuro trodo.
Muni, why are dear papa? What can occur no very simple. When him say no way, appear stadium bekan maybe a chum say NDC MPs no. Ebi mo hon ma oboy omo bon yie pa. Obekan some beka appear stadium kasa asem no. Eni say na Muni so beka kire say NDC full soldiers no. Say omo boy bon de. Just enya asem ketua. Enya ize o. Nanso yesi aban papa na aba. Nke hu ye na ka ban papa aba de na ka motimi to deodorant na ka mo use. Na motimi ato spray papa bi. Na mo mia gum ho perfume correct one bi. What you say? But aban papa no ban papa mamo. Iti yese mo ho bon mo ko penso na mo ndware. Why? Ebe bua mo. Nko dware o ne yese mo ho bon.
Awusa NDC full soldiers no ADD NDC girl ya. Omo friend Muni girl yo da me top bi. Full soldiers no ADD na tem a omani abre. Adenya ananu ya we social media minister eye small work bi omuko ye. Muni ya ba be kasan e na full soldiers no ebinum wo ho a omamatu mu bon. Mo de am mpa no kure. Se mamatu mu bon na wa kan no kura kire mo a. Enye no ane se am kopelime ana se show bi na mo de ayo mamatu mu. We ya mu didi na tem infaso be na wo so. Na ko hu ya na wan kan kire mo a. Akamu besan they have been penny4. We our say monda na say because mama tuo mu bon na muni atimi aka kire mu a. Emri bi kwa na ka me pese me kan kire mu bat. Na me fele enti nshira ka muni say mama tuo mu bon watimi aka kire mu.
Abusia for kasa gist. Weekend dey try mu NDC full soldiers no. Omo ko work e wo Kumase. Na omu wie work do. And there is this NDC slave queen be our friend Muni or a app so. Or better now TikTok. Rebecca say NDC full soldiers though. Walk on mobile just on my home power, my motor bomb, my no bomb. Nah, Sale, and go for the jack. And yes, I'm getting to when Jarova leading the crowd. I have a patch on. You see, she's not the first person now. What do you want to do? Several people appear stadium appear stadium ground. I say NDC MPs I come here I say NDC for number one problem about the order. But instead of saying, sa cathedral swimming pool almost here Kufuado, and 58 million or say. Accurate, or instead of some Bako Jaru, we won't take advantage of cathedral swimming pool or Bako Jaru, so I don't know this.
Now most of them hobo and cancer. Nanya Abumana will be one of what's my point. Jackson say, more backing feet and I'm home by a mundaria. My father World Cup. Any big crave bonnie saying the way be more trending on a crown and people before be correct to moon or more canon was there moon dancing. Moon dancing. Any Panama who come and Pana what kind of production. Just say Biana one of the issues was a people say and I'll also bend penny for or bend penny for Munkobendi. What kind of prayer actually? No prayer, dear, what kind of prayer? And I check. So I Casamaya to say, ah, by come and say, now, so Casa will be one Mucasat and Dantas. Where no prayer, no what catch them. No prayer, no catch them. Mohobo, I saw catch them with appear stadium, Papa Penyah. But tonight you are granted interview. Kwano can you say MPC name ministers be and when you that perfume cry saying the MPC minto and our minister minto, but what me can't say as a Bruno. Eto abonti manti mi angare na young girl we okwa kan aye na emu and now young girl na when your chances to get close to the you know Mompenifor na ha mo na mo ho bon a waka kire me no correct because Ghana ha no ye mu bi no ye suban a we ho ne sesa bia bi wo na nya kura na obi pa mu ka kire wo pa anta obenya asem duabo amba mu obetimi asi me nwa so na de na wo ho na edi wo nya eti se watimi apa mu aka kire mo se mo ho bon a mesra ma dawroma bisa obi oben wo na mo nkosa mo ho yare Monsa mo yare na munya ise ne mani abin because maybe me who anything wrong and anything bad again say e kan ya mujine mu amani abere mo ho den omo ma den wo fom so bia fa na e na den na o muja ma se mo ho bon na waka kire wo ho bon unnim no obi aka kire wo nti hyase na tu ho na mo sa wo ho yare e chen se mani abere na mo kasa na ye we at least wo apa ma kire but still mo ho bon Monko Sam Hoyare because appear stadium Kurakada. Wakada. One of what they have a view on TV you into Masorana Panamo cooking feet, no, some of the one. It's Ramana, Mamma Sam Hoyare. Why?
Asamna Muni, NDC Muni, Ekacher NDC supporters, any NDC full soldiers, no. Say now, medium in Tiasio. Say Omo Bon saying. Say NDC for Omo Bon saying. Radio hunam kankan mu labubu muni na eko ai muni we de wa bie kwan na maye asem ana se ye boso be ye 8 years aye pesa ye ka ye ntimi nka no wa bie kwan na maye hunam kankan mu labubu me pato wa oton show ana se lime no na wa ka kiro mo wai muni ai we de wa ka ya hawa maye NDC for no bo okay se omu no mu ko mu float ye de yankobi enti munimu na ekoye ena ne ewo mu na waba beka no we de honam kankan mu labubu
justice for NDC for soldiers emom asemu amuni NDC Muni e ka fa NDC for soldiers for ho eso omo moto mo bon no wanyade yamfa bibia anto nche wanyade hwe se NDC for soldiers bi omo moto mu kankan ni omo nu mu kankan aye campaign anopa area enumbre de nsuo mu area mu ama NDC abini mapa power ekomo de omo sese ni omo bedi kura ye omo de omo ni access to penifo no ba wo muni you have access to penifo no sika ebe mu nyina wo ho na aba hwe wiga kese e hyew nails akese a wo ye makeup akese a wo ye bags akese a ye kura wo Enyema ne board the ding accessories are expensive accessory. You are living like an Arabian queen. You are living large. I no more bread. Now my health work no maba no more to mubonwa. Who signed the charm mpwa? Who signed the charm mpwa? Anka odie. Sa wiga sika pm na mobile power odie to wiga kesiye ebiye 4,000 5,000. Ode ton wigi ba komponent ka fafa to ankadwoa line ebetinya to ankadwoa boto be 20 na chemom no fa nko dare ode wa anyesa ana ode omumoto mu se omumoto mu kankan ebo makutia ewo social media chale muni wanya ade justice for NDC full soldiers What's me born browns? I'm a to born now walk. Tonka, I do a moment. I can't try a tongue. Oh, one
A party faithful, no, Miss Munya Botre. Grassroots for name, Penifue woman, branch for Nina, yes, Munya Botre. Munya Botre, nano na apa and communication no ye adwuma heading kasa enfum wo kasa enfum wo kasa me asamba me hu se mu tutu ni sra ni abasa ni ade mu nya abotre especially mu amo attack no mu nya abotre yesra mu ni kasa no kasa ni ba bi antwaye ba bi wo ho a ankoye and we all know say kasa dodo enfum so mpem normal enti wa be pacho kasa dodo no enfum so mpem even communicators kra na ya train you de omakotena radio so ni TV so no every day be a party ni ba apologize MPP na nze ya no ma disassociate omo from abronya eti normal kasa dodo enfum mpem futuo bi na mu wa mumfa ma ye nua ba no behind closed doors ema mumfa ni nsi media ne so ntutu ni sra ni abasa ebi kura didi na tem de na hunsuo nya didi na tem ebi sabe e de na se how can you do that enye ni biye mo amoye that type of attack mu nyai asem mo ne boy girl no wa asem dada asem mo ne no personal issues bi yenye ni sa we don't enye ni sa na muni dia na aba na mo kan say ene ze na ya da chi bia so ya no pa sa na mbe se da chi bia so ya no pa se sa na mbe treat it's not fair so we were foot obi a friend nipa no ni ne number pen number na friend back door say video no mpule what tunu funu we puli no apologize then remove omo attack no e bi di na tem no ye 10 no 10 today munjai sa anyoma no so far I'm not happy with that type of comment from the party faithfuls amudigu media and so I know you are hurt yeah in some again on the kind be wa na ntwaye but you know she will not mean to hurt you. That is why you should know kasa do don from so mpem o kasa bebre ya from so bem normal me kura kasa no ya ejina ye na bi to ye utimi kasa na nsem bia den na tia fa so normal enti hu a ya prompt wa no abepa acho na nipa na omu take offense na dia chew. That is how we move. You don't go after the person. Ebi di sebi video be am you be di na see di na tem. How can you do that? And besides, Muni on her face no rap at the enemy. She's young. She's a student. She's a little girl. She's a young girl. Munyabo chairman. I feel na politics no crowd didn't munaseba. It's a baby or no can went me and chance muya. Even she's not even good with the tree. Sometimes tree no can struggle. So mama find the personal and the dinner time find who's your ne ban. No, you don't do that. Very disgusting. You don't do that. And most of the videos I hear share mamia a bit in the hone ne set like a big friend. How can you do that? It's very unfair. Let's move the way best treaty and Kasaye. You don't do that. I'm very, very unhappy. One Kasaye, and we have to condemn. But you don't go after her personality. You don't do that. It's very unfair.
Oh, say I no great rodo. A fibie ni ho. Asem no great. What I say? Jira your mama ever comment section. Muni abepa NDC for that show. I say. Munti munsa choko ramu fancha no or ya bofla. Ibi CD. Mufante but si moto m dey no to talk sure to moto aka twa dey no other say mun to talk person the three mo se kama na bia enye fan jira jo ma e wo conversation I Penyah